The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 actually blows away the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in one very important key metrics. As you know, one of the things that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has better than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the processor. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so Z Fold 5 has the more up-to-date newer processor. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to ensure it fixes all the issues with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. There's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this point to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power many of 2022's Android flagships, including the Z Fold 4. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. Elec has previously reported on future technologies from South Korea companies. Samsung Electronics has fully utilized Qualcomm's mobile AP for its foldables phone series. We are seeing some of the updates in camera that potentially how the next foldable phone will do in the market. The big update we might see on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its camera. Potentially the front-facing selfie shooter, where we see a 12-megapixel selfie shooter instead of 10 megapixel on the Z Fold 4, and also there will be an update in inner display camera. As per the rumors, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN3 sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, but as we are getting closer to the launch, chances are we might see a big camera update, maybe 108-megapixel main shooter just like we have seen on the S22 Ultra. Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to deliver for photography enthusiasts as well. Photographers will be able to use the phone for portraits and professional photography. Some features on the camera setup could include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection and touch to focus. Moreover, one can up their selfie game and look great on video calls. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past from probably will have the company's best snappers. As impressive as Samsung foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.